You had a limited number, fewer than 20, of these $300,000 battery electric boats. The next gen model is going to come next year, 2024, but we don't know anything about it. So tell us, where do these funds go to develop this next gen model?
Yeah, thanks, Ed. Yeah, I mean, these funds really go to us expanding production into a more mass market vehicle. The ARC 1 was limited edition. We completely sold out. But we really want to focus our attention now on electrifying everything that's on the water, everything that's in the marine industry. There's a lot of gas boats out there, and ARC's mission is to convert all of them to electric. These funds really help us accelerate that mission. We're going to be using it to expand our footprint here in Los Angeles. And we're going to be using it to, as you mentioned, work on our next more mass market product, which we will unveil more details in the next couple months.
Oh, you leave us hanging. But Lior, on that respect, what is the ultimate total addressable market here from your mind's eye? Why are you so excited to commit more capital here?
Yeah, it's great to be here again, Caroline. And I think, like many other physical industries, the maritime industries has been here for, 5,000 years. It's a gigantic industry of multi-hundreds of billions of dollars that's still being run by generally gas combustion engine. That's all going to change by electrification with batteries, with electronics. You guys mentioned in the previous section AI. We love seeing AI in the physical industries and the impact in society and climate, and of course, building what we believe will be the next Tesla here with ARC.
Ryan, we talked about your CV. You had 7 years of engineering at SpaceX. Some of your investors are Tesla alum. Some of your staff are Tesla alum. And you seem to be replicating this idea, like Tesla started with the Roadster, then the Model S, then the Model 3. Is it fair to say that you're kind of replicating that path forward?
Yeah, I think that's fair to say. I mean, we really think that's the smartest way to go about doing this. The hardest part about working on a hardware startup is really scaling that production. Starting with something that's a smaller batch build, kind of like the ARC 1, it allows you to learn a lot where the risks are minimized because you have fewer products out there. We can take all of those learnings and honestly move faster as we move into the next product rather than trying to jump straight to something that's mass market. And the other point here is that we're only 2.5 years old. We've already sold and delivered ARC 1s to customers. That's incredible speed for a hardware company. And it really speaks to the engineering team that we have and this kind of first principles approach that we bring from SpaceX and Tesla to be able to execute that quickly.
Lior, you've put a lot of dollars into real-world startups, companies that actually make stuff. But it was interesting to note the expansion of US manufacturing here and not going overseas. What do you make of that, Lior?
Ed, I think there is a new industrial renaissance in this country. I just came back from Washington, D.C. 2 weeks ago. The government is very serious to help this country build again. I think we're understanding what that means from a geopolitics point of view and the needs to secure and resilience our supply chain and manufacturing. And that's mean building companies like ARC Seal locally. When you're putting on top of it automation and software, the other two biggest mover that we are seeing in physical industries, you now can build the most sophisticated boat in Los Angeles. That will be just not something you could do before. And it's very exciting because I think we are seeing companies like Tesla and SpaceX and ARC and others building a new industrial regime here in this country.
Ryan, therefore, what is the headache for you as you want to take on this money to accelerate in a big way? Is it supply chain that remains a concern? Is it talent pool? What is it that hinders you, if at all?
Yeah, it's probably a combination of both of those. Talent is really the most important. Talent is what lets you, accelerate, move quickly. We invest a lot in our people. We have a great engineering team with a great background from, Tesla, Rivian, SpaceX, all those companies. The supply chain is definitely top of mind as well. That's actually where Eclipse is incredibly helpful. They have a great portfolio of companies. They have a lot of experience operating in the hardware space. Our main focus, though, is really just execution on production ramp. Anyone who's started a hardware company knows trying to scale production is the hardest possible thing. Building one of something is easy. Building hundreds, thousands of something is incredibly difficult. So that's really, the next year, 2 years, our entire focus is building the production line itself.